Okay, on this one I had to come out here. The fax machine keeps dropping over and over and over, they say. So this is my wire going to my fax machine. This is my wire bringing dial tone in. Well, what they did was they wired in white and blue, which is my dial tone in. They send it to the fax machine first and then bring it back over here on this one, and then so anytime this thing, whenever they do a fax, it can't detect dial tone anymore, so it resets. It'll go click click and it hangs up the line. So the fire alarm system has to come first. So you have to bring your blue and white blue over here to your red and green on your D-Mark jack, and then you come to your fax line and put it on the output of your gray and brown. I don't know if you can really make that out there or not. So whoever wired this wired it kind of funny. You can tell they didn't know what they were doing, because look, see how they strip whenever that's that copper showing. Anytime that copper shorts out, that hangs up the phone line. So it's just whoever did this didn't know what they were doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix it. But a lot of people were terrified of phone lines. I don't know why. It causes a lot of troubles on fire alarm systems. But I'm gonna get it rewired up, and then I'll show you the video after I get done with it.